Hello and welcome to my channel. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. I have already applied my peel off base coat. I am now adding my base colour that I'd like to use. I do 2 coats to make this fully opaque. I now use an angled brush dipped in acetone to clean up any mistakes that I made. I am now applying a holographic topper. I was sent these water decals from Kaz Creations. All the instructions are on the back of the packaging. I start off by cutting out the decals that I'd like to use. Place the decal in warm water for 20 seconds. I remove the decal from the water. I then place it onto my stamper. I slide off the backing paper and then dab it with some kitchen roll. I add a drop of polish onto a mat. I use a small dotting tool to fill in the image on the back of the decal to make the colours pop. I line up my stamper and then roll onto my nail. I then add a fast drying top coat to seal in my design. I apply my favourite cuticle oil and massage it in. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.